Hello everyone. Chrissy Etheridge here, the Oilist. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe below so you can get notified whenever I add another educational video. And if you find value with this, please share this with your friends and family so they can also learn about the safe use of essential oils and the power of doTERRA. So let's get started. We're going to talk about peppermint essential oil today. And peppermint for me, if somebody said, Chrissy, you're going to be stuck on an island, and like my favorite show is Survivor, and if they said you're going to have to go for an undisclosed period of time and you could take one essential oil with you, what would you take? I'm going to choose peppermint. Peppermint is just this multifaceted essential oil that can be used for so many different things. So let's talk about it. So its main chemical constituent within this is menthol. So it also has alpha and beta pinene in it. So you get this beautiful cool sensation that happens with that menthol, but then with the alpha and the beta pinene, you're going to get a lot of different relaxation effects as well. So let's talk about it. You can use it for pain control. You can use it for anti-inflammatory. You can also use it for like a stomach aid if you have issues, and we're going to talk about that. It's certainly a very high energetic essential oil. So if you need some natural energy, you can use peppermint as well. So let's say, for example, you have a headache, right? My favorite application to use peppermint, and I typically carry a bottle with me like so, almost everywhere. Put a little dab on your finger and rub it along your temple right here, okay? You can even put it up in your hairline if you get those tension headaches, right? So that one that kind of goes across the band of your forehead, that would be a tension headache. So that's certainly a way that you can use it. You can also take a drop and put it right in that soft spot where your skull and your neck meet. We call it the occipital triangle. That's certainly a really amazing place to put your essential oils. You want to avoid your eyes because it's going to give that menthol fume or that aromatic benefit, and it's gonna, it can cause your eyes to burn a little bit. I have rubbed it in my eyes before, and I've never had any unexpected negative outcomes, but it doesn't feel great. The next thing you can use peppermint for is digestive upset, which is probably one of the reasons why I would choose it on a island if I was stranded. You can either add a drop or two in your water. Now, please only put essential oils in glass, ceramic, or aluminum, like in the Hydro Flask, because it can break down the sides of your peppermint, maybe I need some, of your plastic bottle or your styrofoam bottle. So you certainly wouldn't want to add your essential oils into those type of containers. But if all you had, let's say you were out and about and all you had was a plastic water bottle, what I would do then is put a drop on your tongue or under your tongue, let it sit for a minute or 20 seconds or so, and then drink your water after. And that way you get that benefit internal. You can also just massage it directly over your abdomen, especially if you have a small child that has an upset tummy. You can put a drop in your hand, mix with a teaspoon to a tablespoon of a vegetable carrier oil like coconut oil or almond oil, and then just rub it directly over their abdomen. If you feel like you're having just a bad breath moment, you can certainly just put it on your finger like so and just lick it. That's going to help you get some really nice fresh breath. If you're feeling low on energy or you're having a little mental fog, maybe you're getting that afternoon slump, you can certainly diffuse it or just put a drop in your hand and rub it together and take some nice big deep breaths with it. It can also be used as muscle ache and joint pain, either used alone or mixed with some of our other anti-inflammatory essential oils. So that's certainly a way to do it. And then also you can use it to help cool down your body. So maybe, or your kiddo's body, maybe you're running a fever, or maybe you're just overheated because it happens to be something that you're doing out in the heat. I remember my grandkids came one summer into Las Vegas, which is not the best time to come and visit, but of course we wanted to do activities. And so I ended up taking a spray bottle like this right here. I mixed the majority of it with just diluted water, And then I put several drops of peppermint inside this water bottle. And whenever anyone started saying that they were feeling hot, we just take it off and spritz their tummy, spritz their back, and that would give that nice cooling menthol sensation that kind of tricks the brain into thinking that you're cooled off. But women in those menopausal years can certainly do that during hot flashes as well. All right, if you guys found value in this video, please subscribe below to the Oil List. Share this with any friends and family that you think might need these essential oils into their life. And I'll see you later. Bye. Have a blessed day.